grow up, I'll take time to see. I won't scurry around like a bumblebee, because they're scary and swift and ready to sting. They're always nearby, but with them I don't sing. I was sort of a surprise to my mom and dad, but they still tried their hardest to give what they had. I know I am different from them, not so same. Their methods are hasty when playing the game. So I don't think I'll play their way. No, not carelessly moving each day. I want to stop and remember the past. If nobody does, a dark shadow will cast. Across the path their future will follow. Memories forgotten, actions become hollow. So when I choose to become a single part of the motion surrounding me, I will have a slow start. Among all the bees fluttering about in my mind, I will not drown in the honey they leave behind.